Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a signal which can be green or red with probability this and this. So, look at this. So, probability of getting green signal is 4 by 5. Probability of getting red signal is 1 by 5. Respectively, is received by A. So, first you have some signal. Okay, now this signal will be received by A, received by A. Now what happens? And transmitted to B. Now you have to transmit the signal. Which signal will be received by B? Received by B. Now try to understand. There was some signal, like suppose that this is me, this is you. So some signal I will get, and then I will send some signal. Which signal will be received by you? Okay, so this is the idea. Now the the probability of each station receiving the signal correctly. Okay, so probability of correct signal is 3 by 4. So probability of wrong signal will become what? 1 by 4. Okay, now look at this, what they are saying. If the signal received at station B is green, now at the end you have received green signal. You have to find the probability that the original signal was also green. So it should start from green. Okay, now look at this. So how we will handle the situation? Try to understand. So we have required probability. Look at the case. At the end you have to receive green signal. So suppose that signal was green. Okay, so what will happen? Correct signal will be received by A or wrong signal will be received by A. So suppose that correct signal received by A, wrong signal received by A. So if it will received correct signal, means now A is also having green. Now this green will be transmitted to B, and B has to get green, means B will have the correct signal. Correct na? Now suppose that it was green signal and A has received wrong signal, means A has received red. Now under what condition B will receive green signal? If this red is being transmitted but B will receive green signal, means B should also receive the wrong signal. Is that okay? So this is first two case. Now suppose that it is not green. It is not green. Here also it is not green. At the end you have to take care that you should have green signal. So not green means what? Red. So A will receive, suppose that A will receive correct signal. So A will receive red. Now if A will send red and it is correctly received by B, means at the end you are getting red signal na? So that is wrong. You should have green signal. So B should receive wrong signal. Is that okay? Now look at this case. Suppose that it was not green. Not green means what? It is red. Now we have already handled first case where A received the correct signal. So suppose that A has received wrong signal. So it was not green, means it was red. And signal received by A is wrong, means A doesn't receive red signal, it has received green signal. Now if B will receive correct signal, then only you will have green, no? So this is the case. Is that okay? Now what is the required thing? The original signal is green. So original signal is green in these two cases. Here though it is red and red. Okay, so you can write down things as green A correct, B correct, plus green A wrong, B wrong. Okay, now you have to substitute things, okay, for calculation. Now look at this, what I am trying to write. So the point is, look, so we have green. So probability of getting green signal is what? 4 by 5. Now A is receiving correct signal. So receiving correct signal is what? 3 by 4. B is receiving correct signal. Receiving correct signal is what? 3 by 4. Done? Now, next case. Green. So probability of green is what? 4 by 5. This is wrong signal. So correct signal is 3 by 4. So wrong signal is 1 by 4. This is also wrong signal received by B. Means 1 by 4. Now, this is not green. Not green means what? Red. So what is the probability of getting red? It is 1 by 5. Then correct signal by A. So getting correct signal is 3 by 4. This is wrong signal by B, means 1 by 4 plus. Now look at this. Not green. Not green means what? Red. So what is the probability of getting red? It is 1 by 5. Then wrong signal received by A. Wrong signal received by A. Correct signal is 3 by 4. So wrong signal is 1 by 4. Now correct signal by B. So it is 3 by 4. Okay, so this is all the cases. You have to find out the probability of having original signal as green. So originally the signal was green in first two cases. So it is 4 by 5, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So you have to simplify things to get the required result done. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.